Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel Nathaniel Travels. In this video, we are going to discover the beautiful city of Helsinki, the capital of Finland, at night. Helsinki at night offers a unique and captivating atmosphere with its blend of urban lights, architectural landmarks, and serene waterfront areas. Many of Helsinki's architectural landmarks are beautifully illuminated at night, creating a stunning visual display. The Helsinki Cathedral, Finlandia Hall, and the Kallio Church are just a few examples of landmarks that stand out with their nighttime lighting. The city's waterfront areas, including Tulu Bay and the South Harbour, take on a serene and a magical appearance at night. The reflections of city lights on the water create a picturesque view. Many saunas in Helsinki offer evening hours, allowing you to experience the unique Finnish sauna culture under the starry night sky. Some saunas even provide opportunities to take a refreshing dip in the sea or a heated pool. This is the beautiful Uspensky Cathedral at night. Occasionally, night markets or bazaars are held in Helsinki, offering a chance to explore local crafts, food, and cultural offerings in a lively atmosphere. As the city settles into a quieter ambience, you can also enjoy peaceful moments by simply wandering through the well-lit streets or sitting by the waterfront to take in the nighttime views. Just remember that the atmosphere and activities available at night in Helsinki can vary depending on the season and local events. This is the Senate Square at night. It is one of the most iconic and historically significant landmarks in Helsinki. It is located in the heart of the city and it is surrounded by several important buildings. Dominating the square north side is the Helsinki Cathedral or Helsingin Tummikirkko. This is neoclassical cathedral with its white facade and green domes is a symbol of Helsinki and popular tourist attraction. The Helsinki Cathedral was designed by architect Carl Ludwig Engel in the early 19th century and is characterized by its elegant white exterior, green domes, and symmetrical design. The cathedral is situated at the northern end of Senate Square, serving as a focal point of the square's layout and the city's skyline. Senate Square serves as a venue for various events and festivals throughout the year, including concerts, markets, and cultural celebrations. The square's architecture reflects neoclassical influences and showcases Edgel's design vision. The symmetrical layout and grand buildings contribute to the square's aesthetic appeal. The Helsinki Cathedral's iconic presence, historical significance, and elegant design make it a symbol of the city and a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Helsinki. It stands as a testament to the neoclassical architectural heritage of Finland and continues to be a cherished part of the city's cultural landscape. Helsinki is also perfect for night photography. The city's illuminated landmarks, street, and waterfront areas make it a perfect destination for night photography enthusiasts to capture the magic of the nocturnal Helsinki. Helsinki's atmosphere at night is a blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty. making it a memorable experience for both locals and visitors. The city's commitment to design and aesthetics is evident in its nighttime allure, creating a sense of wonder and exploration at some tour operators offer guided architecture tours, specifically focused on Helsinki's illuminated landmarks and buildings, providing insights into the city's architectural history. From festivals and festivities to serene walks and opportunities for reflection, Helsinki at Night offers a wide range of experiences that cater to different interests and preferences. Whether you are seeking vibrant nightlife, cultural exploration, or quiet moments of solitude, the city's nighttime charm has something for everyone to enjoy. Helsinki's cultural institutions, such as museums and galleries, occasionally offer special evening events, exhibitions, or performances that provide a different perspective on art and culture. Helsinki's cafe culture extends into the evening, with some cafes offering cozy settings and a chance to enjoy a warm beverage while observing the city's nocturnal scene. During festive seasons like Christmas and New Year, Helsinki's streets are adorned with festive lights and decorations, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for holiday celebrations. Some sports facilities like ice skating, rinks, and swimming pools offer evening hours, allowing you to enjoy recreational activities in a unique nighttime setting. Up in this beautiful Helsinki Central Railway Station. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. This has been Nathaniel Travels. If you'd like our videos, please hit the thumbs up button and please do share. And don't forget to subscribe.